Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Loreal Metal Detox is probably one of the most revolutionary hair treatments to hit the market, especially for those who frequently color, bleach, or heat style their hair, as it promises to neutralize metal particles within the hair shaft that can lead to breakage and dullness, ultimately restoring your hair's vibrancy and strength. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree Point 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree Point 3 Plus, your ultimate solution for hair repair. This powerful treatment is designed to restore your hair's health and vitality. In just 3 minutes before your shampoo, this treatment works wonders. It actively repairs damage, transforming your hair from within. Experience immediate repair that leads to visibly softer and stronger hair. Say goodbye to damage and hello to a healthier mane. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this treatment is for you. It's formulated to benefit every hair texture. Unlock the secret to incredibly soft and resilient hair. It strengthens your strands, making them more manageable and beautiful. This is the complete repair treatment your hair has been waiting for. It addresses damage effectively, leaving your hair revitalized. What we like? This is a powerful pre-shampoo treatment designed for immediate hair repair. It works to strengthen your hair, leaving it softer and more manageable. If you have significantly damaged hair and are looking for a quick, effective solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This product is amazing. It leaves my hair feeling soft and looking shiny. I have been using this for a few weeks now and my hair has never looked better. It is so much healthier and stronger. The smell is also really nice, a subtle floral scent that isn't overpowering. Number 4. Malibu Sea Hard Water Wellness Remedy Packets. Are you struggling with the effects of hard water on your hair? Say goodbye to dull, lifeless locks caused by mineral buildup. Discover the solution designed to combat hard water impurities. This set is formulated to restore your hair's natural vibrancy and health. Our unique formula works to gently remove damaging mineral deposits and impurities. Experience a truly deep clean that revitalizes your strands. Not only does it cleanse, but it also deeply hydrates your hair. Enjoy softer, smoother, and visibly shinier hair after every use. This convenient pack includes shampoo, conditioner, and a hair mask. It's your all-in-one solution for healthier hair, even in hard water areas. See and feel the transformation as your hair becomes more manageable and radiant. It's time to give your hair the wellness it deserves. What we like? This set is specifically formulated to tackle the issues caused by hard water. It effectively removes mineral deposits and impurities, while also providing essential hydration. If you live in a hard water area and your hair feels weighed down or dull, this comprehensive remedy is an excellent choice. What people say. This product is amazing. It really works to protect my hair during the coloring process. I love how this treatment leaves my hair feeling so soft and looking shiny. The packaging is sleek and easy to use, and the scent is pleasant. Number 3. Malibu Sea Hard Water Wellness Hair Remedy. Are you struggling with the damaging effects of hard water on your hair? It can leave your locks feeling dull, heavy, and lifeless. Discover the Malibu Sea Hard Water Wellness Hair Remedy, a unique treatment designed to combat these issues. It's your secret weapon for healthier hair. Infused with a potent vitamin C complex, this remedy works to gently yet effectively remove mineral buildup. You'll feel the difference as impurities are washed away. Say goodbye to flatness and hello to revitalized hair. This treatment helps restore natural volume and brings back a radiant, healthy shine to your strands. Each packet provides a concentrated dose of wellness for your hair. Just one use can transform your hair from weighed down to wonderfully vibrant. Embrace the feeling of truly clean, soft, and manageable hair. It's time to give your hair the care it deserves and reveal its natural beauty. What we like? Experience the revitalizing power of vitamin C with this targeted hair remedy. It's designed to break down and remove hard water deposits, restoring your hair's natural volume and radiant shine. If you're looking for a quick boost to combat dullness caused by hard water and want a convenient, single-use solution, this is perfect. What people say. It leaves my hair feeling incredibly soft and smooth. My hair feels much stronger and healthier since using this treatment. The treatment is easy to apply and doesn't take too long to work. Number 2. L'Oreal Professionnel Metal Detox Mask. Discover the ultimate solution for dull and brittle hair. This hydrating mask is designed to revitalize your locks and bring back their natural shine. Is your hair feeling lifeless and fragile? Our formula deeply moisturizes, transforming dry strands into soft, manageable hair. Protect your hair from environmental stressors and prevent further damage. It also works to keep your hair color vibrant and long-lasting. Experience the difference with this intensive treatment. It helps to strengthen your hair from within, making it more resilient. Give your hair the care it deserves. Enjoy healthier, brighter, and more beautiful hair with every use. What we like. This mask is your go-to for combating dull and brittle hair while protecting your color. It deeply hydrates and prevents further damage, keeping your locks vibrant and healthy. If your hair is prone to damage, fading color, or lacks shine, this mask will help restore its vitality. What people say. This product is amazing. It leaves my hair feeling soft and looking shiny. I have tried many products for my colored hair, but this one is the best. It really protects my color and makes my hair feel healthy. The smell of this product is wonderful, and it makes my hair feel so smooth and manageable. Number 1. L'Oreal Professionnel Metal Detox Leave-In Oil. Discover the revolutionary Metal Detox Leave-In Oil from L'Oreal Professionnel. It's designed to transform your hair care routine. This powerful formula works to detoxify your strands, removing impurities that can dull your hair's natural vibrancy. Protect your hair from damage with its advanced protective properties. It helps maintain hair's strength and integrity. Keep your hair color looking fresh and vibrant for longer. It helps to preserve the richness and longevity of your shade. Experience unparalleled shine and a silky smooth finish. Your hair will look and feel healthier than ever before. This leave-in oil is the ultimate treatment for revitalized, protected, and radiant hair. Achieve salon-quality results at home. What we like. This leave-in oil is a fantastic final step to detoxify your hair and protect your color investment. It prevents damage and imparts a beautiful shine, keeping your hair looking its best. If you want to extend the life of your hair color, shield your hair from daily stressors, and achieve a glossy finish, this oil is a must-have. What people say. This is a professional salon product that works wonders on color-treated hair. It helps to protect hair from damage caused by coloring and bleaching. The treatment leaves hair feeling soft, smooth, and looking healthier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.